on Global.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Mountain View County. At 2:37 p.m., a rotating severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado is located near Sundre and is nearly stationary. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.